In this video, I'm gonna walk you through on how to create a playlist on TikTok. If this video sounds helpful to you, make sure you stick till the end and let's jump right into it. Now there are a few criteria that you need to match before you have the playlist option on your TikTok account. The first and the most important criteria is you'll need to have at least 1,000 followers on your TikTok account. If you don't have 1,000 followers, you wouldn't have an option of playlist or adding in your videos to your playlist. And when you do have a 10,000 followers on your TikTok account, many people don't see the playlist option on their account. So if you have the 10,000 followers, the chances are you'll see a option of creating a playlist on top of your post right here. You'll have a separate section or separate line which says create a playlist. You can tap on it. But for the people who don't yet have that option, even if they have passed the 10,000 followers mark, you can try to switch your account to a business account if you have not yet. To do that, tap on the three lines that you see on the top right, tap on settings and privacy, tap on account, and here you'll see an option of switch to business account. Tap on this option and choose your category. If you still don't see that option, even if you switch to a business account, then you can submit this request or submit your problem to TikTok. Come to the settings and privacy page again, scroll down, tap on report a problem. From this section, scroll down again, tap on submit a report. Through this section, you can type in your detailed explanation of the problem that you're facing, which is you don't have an option to create a playlist on your TikTok account. So be sure to mention that you have 10,000 followers on your account. And after you typed in your problem, you can tap on submit. So that was the process of creating a playlist on TikTok. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys soon in the next video. Thanks for watching.